welcome to today's trade recap. It hurts to make this video. Fucking made two. So I took a trade yesterday, and took a trade on Monday. It was it was a loss because of human error. And took a trade today, which was a loss due to human error. Not ideal. Traded in bad conditions as well. So once again, not ideal. So market open, I had a bullish bias. Well, I was leaning more bullish, but as you can see, we just don't have a clear direction. We've been chopping from previous day high to low, well, in between previous day high and low for the whole time. So it was a bit hard to have a direction, but from price action, well, like just structure and purely structure, I had a bullish bias. We set up this buy side and didn't get an instant reaction, which is why I was still looking for longs at this point. Yeah, as you can see, swept it, closed quite far above it on the 1 minute, then went back down. We opened up a 5-minute gap here, which was my delivery point. We had also rebalanced the 5-minute range, tapped into a heavy discount. Swept the 5-minute sell side that we created here, and got a 1-minute inverse. So overall, like it was a mid inverse as well, in my opinion. Like just purely off structure, just doesn't seem too clean. But it was also invalid because there was a 2-minute gap here, which we tapped into, respected, which I was not aware of at the time, unfortunately. Was literally what I found out after I entered, and I was already in drawdown. So I guess, well, I mean, not I guess, it is another human error. I'm not gonna say it's unfortunate because it's just my mistake, completely my fault. So, and it also kind of my fault that I was trading in this in these conditions. Like it wasn't too bad after we got like this move here, from the move from here to here. Now we started respecting bullish PDRA and just trending higher, but which is why I thought previous day high was gonna get hit. By the way, that was my overall draw. But as you can see, it never got hit. And then this trade I was more confident in because we rebalanced this range, swept the 5-minute sell side here. I believe it was, oh no, it was just 15-minute delivery, but either way, we were more discounted, so I took this 1-minute inverse here. Very small inverse, but it's still an inverse, and it was instant break even because we tapped into a 5-minute gap here. I mean, the 5-minute gap opened up as we entered, which was a bit risky, but because I thought this was gonna be the move up, I still entered, but it was just instant break even, as I said. Could have taken this 1-minute inverse and could have profited if if I went for like a 1-to-1, because realistic we don't have targets, so I don't know what I would have actually targeted if I took it. So yeah, that's that. Didn't take that, and at that point I also just felt like my bias was wrong, so I don't want to overtrade. Like for me, 2 trades is ideally the max I would want to take, especially if one of them is a loss. If both of them is a loss, then definitely no more. But if both are break even, and I feel like our bias or our draw is obvious, then I would still take it. But because we didn't have a clear bias here or a strong draw, I didn't take it. Yeah, this is the craziest self-sabotage. I was 1 trade away from getting back to break even for the first time in months, and I take 2 losses which are both due to human error, not even statistical. So now I'm 1 trade away from blowing my account. So let's hope it doesn't happen. Oh yeah, that's pretty much it. Sort of been the reason I took this as well is I feel like I've just been, well, one, I wanted to, it was kind of revenge trading. I was still a bit not over losing instead of winning on Monday, because the trade I took on Monday should have been a winner. Well, could have been a winner. Got stopped out for human error reasons, and I guess I wanted to make back that money, which obviously isn't what I should be doing. Like I was actively looking to trade for the past 2 days, so I just need to let go of that loss and this loss now, and trade how I should be trading, based off of what I see and not how I feel. Anyway, that's pretty much the end of the video. Well, let me go over the trade. So we had 5-minute buys. So we had 5-minute sell side sweep. We had a 15-minute delivery here. We got the 1-minute inverse, which was invalid. Wait, am I bugging? No, we had 5-minute delivery on the first one. My bad. We had this 5-minute. Like even just the delivery itself isn't the best, because it's like 5-minute, not too significant, whatever. But 5-minute delivery, 1-minute inverse, would have been a 2-minute intermediate term high break even point over here. I don't get how I didn't notice. I literally marked it out as 2-minute intermediate term highs, but I like forgot about the gap itself. Literally doesn't even make sense. So yeah, and then this one we had a 5-minute sell side sweep, 15-minute delivery, rebalanced the 30-minute range as well, tapped into OT, and we had previous day high above as our overall draw, which never actually, well, which wasn't actually the draw. Reason I was pretty bullish as well is because this 1 hour closed bullish, closed off this 1 hour gap, the close of this 1 hour gap as well earlier. Yeah. So that's actually the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with the backtesting video.